click the plus icon. So you will go to photos and choose an image right now. And click tools icon, so pencil icon, edit icon, and go to double exposure and click the photo icon and choose a photo which you want as double exposure. So now go to that last icon and choose fully and go to view edits, and now go to double exposure and click edit icon and crop it, and 50 you keep, and erase all the image in your face and body. In face alone 25 after 50 edits. After 50 double exposure and click 25 and choose the face icon alone and erase all. I am right now erasing. Keep 25 and erase the face alone. Editing, click the tick icon. After editing, click the tick icon. It will rotate, and now export the photo.